after learning about the new energy vehicle, power battery assembly. Knowing the structure and various data of the battery pack is very complex. Therefore, we need a software system to manage and control it. This system is the battery management system. Abbreviation, BMS. Let's take an example. A customer's electric vehicle. The power battery fault indicator on the dashboard lights up and requires repair. The technician connects the car. Fault diagnostic instrument. The diagnostic tool shows abnormal communication. With BMS, it requires a comprehensive inspection of the BMS. Before checking the BMS, we need to have a comprehensive understanding of BMS. Now, let's learn about the main functions of BMS system together. The main functions of BMS include data acquisition, state estimation, energy management, safety protection, thermal management, data, communication and display, fault diagnosis, and so on. It can monitor the temperature, voltage, current, and other states, control the power input and output of a power battery, and realize the control of power battery. It has the functions of protection, fault alarm and processing, and cooperates with other controllers to control the vehicle. It should ensure the safe and reliable use of batteries, but also fully utilize the performance of the battery and extend the battery's service life. It is the core component of battery management and protection. BMS generally consists of Battery Management Unit, BMU, CSC Acquisition System, High Voltage Battery Distribution Unit, BDU, and auxiliary components. The functions of each component of BMS. It has the function of the Power Battery Control Unit. The Power Battery Management Unit is also called the Main Control Module. Abbreviation, BMU or BMC. It is generally installed inside the power battery assembly. It is the core component of the battery management system. It integrates the total voltage detection and insulation detection module. Its functions are as, firstly, collects data of the total voltage and current of the CSC and data of power battery, insulation monitoring through the CAN network, and the vehicle control unit VC. OBC interacts with other components too. Control relays in the high voltage distribution box, complete vehicle pre-charging, power on, power off, and charge and discharge control when the power battery has over voltage, under voltage overheating. Take safety protection measures. Second, estimate the SOS, SO, and SOP of the power battery. Display the SOC, status of the power battery on the meter, and manage the charging and discharging and balance of the power battery. Third, according to the battery operating temperature of the thermal management system, control the thermal management system of the battery to ensure the safe and efficient operation of the power battery. Functions of CSC Acquisition System. CSC Acquisition System, also known as the Slave Control Module. Each module has a CSC acquisition system to monitor the voltage, current of each cell and module temperature information, and reports the collected information to the Battery Management Unit, BMU. The function of the High Voltage Distribution Unit. The High Voltage Power Distribution Unit of Power, battery abbreviation BDU, or BBOX, is the executive unit that controls the high voltage line connection and disconnection of the power battery under the control of the BMS control signal. According to the BMS instructions, connect or disconnect the high voltage system of new energy vehicles. It is installed at the positive and negative terminals of the battery. It is composed of main positive relay, main negative relays, pre-charge, relay current sensor, and pre-charge resistors. The function of auxiliary components. Auxiliary components are components that protect the control unit's safety, including electronic and electrical components, such as fuses, shunts, smoke, sensors, etc. and maintenance switches, breathable waterproof valves and other airtight components and so on. In this class, we learned the main functions of BMS system and the specific functions of each component. We learned that in the BMS system, data acquisition, state estimation, energy management, safety protection, data communication and display, fault diagnosis, how these functions are realized through each component. In the fault repair of BMS in new energy vehicles, you can, according to the fault type, combined with the functions of each component of BMA, to detect the corresponding unit, which plays a more effective role in troubleshooting and repair. After class thinking, with the development of technology, BMS has more functions. In addition to the main functions mentioned above, what other new functions can you think of?